Okay, so our next step is activity 3, which it looks like this in the GeoGebra practice set. And you'll see that you are matching types of moves that are similar. So I just want to show you one or two examples. One example is 6 and 4, right? And 6 and 4, I'm going to move 3 over so that we can look at them closely. 6 and 4 are similar, and the reason why is because in 6 and in 4, you are spinning or rotating the green shape to produce the red shape. It's just a spin around a point. In 6, it's around this point, and in 4, it's around this point. That's called a rotation. It's called a rotation. It's spinning around a point. And then there are other examples, right? There are also reflections, which is what we talked about in activity 2. That's when you're flipping your shape over a line. Here is an example of a reflection. So you want to match number 3 with any other reflections you might find. And then we also have translations. And translations are just when we are sliding the figure. So notice that even though question 1 has this touching point, it's a little bit different than 6 and 4 because the green shape didn't spin around to make the red shape. It actually just slid in this direction. So 1 is a translation, it's just a sliding. 2 is a reflection, it's a flip. And 6 and 4, those are rotations, they're a spin. So your job is to end up with 3 stacks of cards, reflections, rotations, and translations. Go ahead and pause this video to answer this task. Okay, so this summarizes what we learned today, and you can see all of these applets on your screen. I would definitely recommend taking a look at the notes that are posted in today's folder because those will give you a better idea of kind of exactly what I'm looking for. But if you could just kind of take a look at this first applet, this again is called a translation, and it's when we're moving a shape from side to side. This move right here is when we spin our shape. We spin to reach the new shape. And this move right here, this is called a rotation. A rotation. And this final move here is called a reflection. It's when we flip the image over the red line. And you can see if you move the red line, then the blue image is going to be flipped differently. See, it'll be flipped over the red line. If we move the red line this way, the way that the image is created changes. So it's useful to explore 1, 2, and 3 just to get a good idea of exactly what the differences are between these 3 moves. Go ahead and answer the exit ticket, which is located in today's main folder. And once you've answered the exit ticket, the practice 8.1.2 is tonight's homework. And so you can go ahead and work on that after you finish the exit ticket. Thanks for watching, guys.